Good day everyone, especially for you Ma'am Rona, and I am Rosalie C. Tortuga, Filipino 3, and your task is gagawa kami ng reflection. After learning about the definition of indigenous peoples in the Philippines, I gain a deeper understanding why they are important, and I realized that indigenous people are not just about being different from the majority, but they are communities with their own language, culture, and tradition, and strong connection to their ancestral lands. One thing that I really stood out to me is being part of an indigenous group is not only about bloodline. Mahalaga din yung self-identification at yung pagtanggap ng community mismo. And for me is para sa kanila, ang lupa ay hindi lang basta pag-aari. Ito ay kanilang tahanan at tsaka source nila sa kanilang buhay, at ito ay part din sa kanila sa pagkakilanlan, and that is why they protect it so much, because losing their land also means losing a part of who they are. Na-appreciate ko rin na kahit modern na ang panahon at maraming outside influences, patuloy pa rin nilang pinapahalagahan ang kanilang kultura. Naisip ko na sila yung living proof and history natin bago pa dumating ang colonizer at bago pa na-develop ang modern states, di ba? For me, learning about indigenous people is a reminder to respect diversity. They are a huge part of our national identity and and heritage. Kaya mahalaga na i-recognize natin yung right nila, gaya ng nakasaad sa Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act. In the end, masasabi ko na indigenous people are not just part of history books. They are alive, active, and still shaping our culture today. And that's something we should all appreciate and be proud of. Thank you.